dancing lessons. What's all that music coming from? It's in Tari's room. Yeah! I just came from the best dancing lesson ever. And guess what? What? Are we going to go blast to the moon in a supersonic spaceship? No. Are we going to drink blueberry strawberries until our tummies turn blue? N-O. Are we going to learn how to do the rooster kick? What's that? I don't know, but it sounds cool.
Baby, get us so we dance.
Oh, yeah, that is right.
Baby, get it right?
Yeah, we are learning how to dance. I hired 2 dance professionals to teach you how to dance. Yes. We don't like to dance. I know, but we have to try. Don't want to make Tori feel bad, okay? Ding dong. Oh, they must be here. Okay, here they come. Why do they need that? Why do they need that? I need a pencil. Hold up. Ow! Hey, you threw all my head outside. Sorry, Ollie. It's okay. Oh! Well, at least I got my pencil back. Well, that's because I threw it at your face, okay? Oh! Oh! Did the announcer just do that? Thought he was nice to Beanie Boos. Ahem! Oh, hello! My name's Safari, and I'm Ollie, and we love to dance. We'll teach anybody who wants to learn as a professional. So, you must be the students, huh? Yeah, this is how we dance. Boom, boom, boom. Cut! What's wrong? That's not the right way to dance. What do you mean? I can dance any way I want. Listen to the instructors. How do you dance? Like this. Wait, I need some music. Can you go get some music for me, Ollie? Oh, fine. Since everybody's being too dumb with their music, I'm just gonna make up some. Okay, fine. That's good enough. Boom. Boo, 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 I'm okay. Oh, okay. You try dancing like that. Why are you drinking all of our milk? Because I'm thirsty. He's weird. I'm not a boy, I am a girl. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'll try first because I'm the smartest. Okay, here comes the music. Boo, 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 boo. You didn't have to do that part. Oh, that really hurts. Wait, our time is up already? Oh, I was actually starting to enjoy this. Oh well, you go and dance good, octopus. She just kissed me. Okay. Wait, I gotta go too. Oh. Well, how do you dance now, cats? Let's dance.